In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to save a design in Fusion 360 effectively. If you are new to CAD, understanding the cloud-based saving system is vital for your workflow, as it ensures you never lose a single piece of your hard work. This process is seamless and keeps your projects organized in the cloud, allowing you to access them from anywhere. If this video helps you master your workspace, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more professional design tips. Let's dive right in. The first and most straightforward way to save is to locate the official save icon, which is positioned in the very top left corner of the main toolbar. You can simply click this icon to trigger the process. Alternatively, for those who prefer to keep their hands on the keyboard, you can just press the Ctrl and S keys on your keyboard simultaneously, which acts as the universal shortcut for saving. Once you trigger the save command, a dialog box will appear in the center of your screen. This is where you will input the name for your design. Take a moment to give your project a clear, descriptive name so that it is easy to find later among your other files. Below the name field, you will see options to navigate through your projects and folders. Choose the specific project and folder where you want this design to live. By keeping your files sorted into folders as you go, you avoid a cluttered workspace later on. Once you have entered the name and selected your destination, go ahead and click the Save button at the bottom of the dialog box. One of the best features of Fusion 360 is that your designs are saved directly to the cloud. You do not need to worry about manually choosing a hard drive location or creating local file paths on your computer, which is a major time saver. Furthermore, once that initial save is complete, Fusion 360 handles versioning for you. This means that every single time you hit save again, the software creates a new version of the design. This creates a history of your work, meaning you can always revert to a previous state if something goes wrong in your design process. It is a foolproof way to manage sophisticated assemblies. If you followed these steps, you have successfully secured your project. Remember to save often to take full advantage of that versioning feature. If this video helped you streamline your design workflow, please remember to like and subscribe for more Fusion 360 guides. Thanks for watching and happy designing.